From field to fryer, the journey of McDonald's fries. The story of every McDonald's French fry begins in the rich volcanic soil of Idaho's Snake River Plain, where endless rows of russet Burbank potatoes stretch toward the horizon. These aren't ordinary potatoes. They're specifically chosen for their high starch content, low sugar levels, and perfect length that will eventually become those iconic golden fries. In Rochester, the harvest dawn breaks over the McCain Foods processing facility as massive harvesting machines lumber through the fields. The mechanical giants dig deep into the earth, their steel fingers gently lifting each potato from its underground home. Workers inspect the harvest with trained eyes, selecting only potatoes that meet McDonald's exacting standards. No bruises, uniform shape, and the perfect balance of moisture and starch that will create the ideal texture. The selected potatoes are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, beginning their carefully controlled journey. Temperature is everything. Too warm and the sugars develop too quickly, too cold, and the starches convert improperly. Each truck is a mobile climate control system, maintaining the precise conditions needed to preserve the potato's cellular structure. Verstauscher the transformation. At the processing plant, conveyor belts carry thousands of potatoes through a gauntlet of preparation. High-pressure water jets blast away every trace of dirt, while optical sorters use advanced cameras to detect and remove any imperfect specimens. The potatoes then enter steam peelers, where superheated vapor loosens the skins, which are stripped away by rotating brushes. The real magic begins at the cutting station. Industrial guillotines slice each potato into perfect 932-inch strips, a measurement so precise that McDonald's engineers spent years perfecting it. Too thick and the fries won't cook evenly. Too thin, and they'll become limp and soggy. Each cut must be clean and straight, creating the uniform shape that customers expect. Resues the par frying process. The freshly cut strips move into blanching tanks filled with precisely heated water, removing excess sugars and partially cooking the potato's interior. Then comes the critical par frying stage, the secret to McDonald's distinctive texture. The fries are partially cooked in vegetable oil heated to exactly 365 degrees Celsius, creating a protective barrier around each strip while leaving the interior soft and fluffy. Quality control technicians constantly monitor oil temperature, cooking time, and moisture levels. They test random samples measuring everything from color uniformity to internal temperature. Only batches that pass every test continue down the line, or flash freezing and distribution. Within minutes of par frying, the golden strips pass through a blast freezer where temperatures plummet to 10 degrees F. This flash freezing process locks in flavor and texture while creating ice crystals so small they won't damage the potato's cellular structure. The frozen fries are sorted one final time, removing any that don't meet visual standards, before being packaged into bags marked with batch numbers and production dates. Refrigerated trucks transport these frozen parcels to McDonald's restaurants across the country, maintaining the cold chain that preserves quality from factory to restaurant. Each shipment includes detailed cooking instructions and quality specifications that ensure consistency, whether the fries are served in Manhattan or Montana. The final transformation. Behind the counter at your local McDonald's, crew members pour the frozen fries into baskets and lower them into fryers filled with a blend of vegetable oils heated to exactly 347 degrees. The timing is crucial. 3 minutes and 10 seconds for the perfect balance of crispy exterior and fluffy interior. As the fries cook, the remaining moisture steams away while the par-fried coating turns golden brown. The moment the timer sounds, the basket lifts automatically, and crew members quickly salt the fries with a measured portion of fine crystals. The hot oil creates tiny pockets where salt adheres, ensuring even flavor distribution across every fry. From soil to service, this journey takes weeks of careful planning and precise execution, all to deliver those familiar golden fries that have become one of America's most recognizable foods. Each crispy strip represents a triumph of agricultural science, food engineering, and logistics, transforming simple potatoes into a global phenomenon, one perfectly cooked fry at a time.